Hi guys, Tim Wagner here, sharing with you once more as I collaborate for our 7th workshop in how you can stay focused on your dreams and goals in 2023. Now, if you were part of our workshop in June, you'll be asking, but how do they top what we actually did then? And if you missed June's workshop, go down now, have a look at the highlights and go and watch to see what we shared as we collaborated with 6 amazing coaches and we had the fantastic conversations. But now we're looking forward and saying, well, how does it get better than this? That's what my focus is going to be for July the 27th at 7 p.m. as we hold our next workshop. This month, I've been asking about some key things that people have been struggling with. What is actually stopping you, holding you back from achieving what it is that you want to achieve? And 2 things came out head and shoulder above everything else. The first, overwhelm, and the second, fear of failure. Now, these I relate to exactly. In fact, on the 2nd of January this year, it was overwhelm that made me start putting together these workshops. So I learned how to overcome this. But at the time, I was sitting with, how do I start? Am I kidding myself? I don't have the money. I can't do this. Where do I begin? Can I really do this? Is this what I'm actually meant to be doing? There was so many things that was running in my mind to stop me from actually moving forward. So here's the great thing. If you can learn how to embrace your overwhelm, how you can master your fear of failure, then surely you can turn your disadvantage into your advantage. And this is going to be our focus in July. All the coaches that we're collaborating with, scroll down now, have a look to see who these amazing guys are that is going to be bringing their tips, their tools, their strategies. They're going to give you their knowledge of how you can apply these things immediately into your life to take you from where you are to where you want to be by the end of 2023. Isn't that the golden focus? So register today. Don't stop. Register now. This is your time. There's no time better than the present to help you move forward in getting to where you want to be. So I look forward to seeing you all on the 27th of July at 7 p.m. South Africa time. Come and join us, be part of this great community, and together we can move forward. See you then.